Specs. Unit type, ignition coil. Replaces OEM part numbers, 9N12024, 263,843, 263,844 and earlier. Gasket is not included. This is a 12-volt coil. If you need a 6-volt coil, it is included in another listing. Compatible with. Replacement for Arrowhead. IFD 0003, Atlantic. 1100-0542, Ford. 9N-12024 volts, JN. 160-01004, PIC. 9900-4104. 1-year warranty protects you after your purchase. 100% new aftermarket ignition coil built to meet OEM specifications. Top reviews from the United States. Great ignition coil. Quality ignition COI. Installed and I was up running again. Very pleased with this product.